Hello class, today we're going to discuss chapter 32 in your textbook, found on page 614, Complementary and Alternative Therapies. Upon completing the review of this presentation as well as your reading assignment, you'll be able to do the following. Discuss the use of complementary and alternative methods in integrative medicine. You'll consider each therapy that is considered a part of CAM. Examine 5 commonly used complementary and alternative therapies, and also contrast 4 mind-body therapies. In addition to that, you'll bring the following knowledge to the clinical practice setting. You'll be able to assist patients in using relaxation and imagery. So complementary and alternative medicine. Complementary therapies are used in conjunction with other medical treatments. Alternative therapies are used in place of mainstream medicine. For an example, macrobiotic diet therapy used to treat cancer instead of having surgery, radiation, or chemotherapy. Many of the alternatives can be expensive and are frequently not covered by insurance. The NCCIH was established to undertake evidence-based research regarding the efficacy of the various complementary and integrative health therapies and to provide information for the public. Integrative medicine focuses on combining conventional and complementary interventions in a collaborative way. NCCIH classifies complementary therapies into 2 main categories: mind and body interventions, which is a variety of techniques designed to enhance the mind's capacity to affect bodily functions and symptoms. The second category is known as natural products. This group contains several different products such as herbs, vitamins and minerals, and probiotics. These are often referred to as dietary supplements. These substances are commonly found in nature. Other complementary interventions are therapies that do not fit into either of the 2 groups. These therapies include traditional healers, Ayurvedic medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy, and naturopathy. Mind and body interventions. Acupuncture. This is a branch of Chinese medicine in which needles are used to stimulate center points of the body. It can be effective in controlling pain. It is also used to increase immunity. Acupuncture is an ancient Chinese medicine therapy that works to encourage the body to heal itself. Yoga is a spiritual practice that combines exercise, controlled breathing, posture, and mental focus to bring about positive effects on the body and mind. The effects from yoga are regulating blood pressure and heart rate. It increases circulation, aids in digestion, assists with healing chronic back pain, and helping with other disorders. Figure 32-2 can be found in your textbook on page 615. Chiropractic. This uses manipulation of the spine for symptomatic relief and improves functioning. This brings the spinal components back into correct alignment, thereby decreasing or eliminating pain. Exercise, ice, heat, electrostimulation, and massage may be used in conjunction with spinal manipulation. Massage therapy uses soft tissue manipulation to improve health. Stroking, kneading, friction, and vibration is used to relieve muscle pain and promote comfort. Relaxation therapy is used to ease stress and is helpful for a variety of chronic illnesses. Relaxation induces a light state of altered consciousness through refocusing, conscious breathing, and body awareness. Relaxation helps patients to reduce stimulation and ease discomfort. Imagery. It uses a visual stimulus to produce a particular physiologic change that can decrease stress or promote healing. It is useful in decreasing pain and can be particularly helpful to patients undergoing painful procedures. Meditation involves focusing attention on a single repetitive stimulus, thereby decreasing all other stimuli. It alters consciousness and can bring a beneficial mind-body response. It induces a restful state and lowers heart and respiratory rates, and it also may reduce anxiety. Biofeedback is a technique that trains patients to lessen symptoms. The patient learns to control particular internal physiologic processes that normally occurs involuntarily, such as heart rate or blood pressure. With practice, a person can use this information to gain control over the involuntary activities. Specialists in many different fields use biofeedback to help their patients cope with pain. Qigong is a form of exercise which improves health by redirecting mental focus, controlling breathing, improving coordination, and promoting relaxation. It activates the natural currents that flow along the body's meridians to rebalance the body's own healing abilities. Additional forms of biofield therapies. Biofield therapies are supported to affect energy fields that surround and penetrate the patient's body. Reiki, for instance, is when a practitioner acts as the conduit for healing energy that is directed into the patient's energy fields or body. It channels energy to the patient, and the patient's body does the healing. Therapeutic touch is used when body energy fields to restore natural healing powers. The hands of the practitioner are passed over the patient to a certain where tension or excess energy exists. Touch may be used to redirect energies and reestablish energy balance. Hypnotherapy is used to alter behavior, retrieve memories, and induce anesthesia. A hypnotic state is created in which suggestions are implanted that remain during the post-hypnotic period. Hypnotherapy has had moderate success in helping people to quit smoking and to lose weight. Music, art, and dance therapy. Art therapy is helpful when the person has difficulties expressing feelings verbally. Music therapy is beneficial for expressing feelings, reducing stress and anxiety, enhancing relaxation. Also, it can be used as a distraction to aid in pain management. Dance therapy promotes recognition of feelings and awareness of the body. The use of humor has been proven very helpful as a complementary treatment. It can speed the course of healing and decrease pain. Generally will raise a patient's spirits and help to bring about a more positive outlook. So prayers can be used to help reduce stress, promote healing, and may arrest disease. It may be practiced individually or in groups as an intercessory prayer. What is meant by prayer chains? This is when different people pray for a set of time for an individual's recovery over a period of hours or days. It is considered beneficial by many people. Okay, question 1. Please take a moment to review this question and post your response. Sarah's patient is nervous about a painful procedure tomorrow. Her patient is using a visual stimulus to produce a particular physiologic change that can decrease stress or pain. Her patient is using which relaxing therapy? Is it A, imagery, B, meditation, C, biofeedback, or is it D, hypnotherapy? The correct response is A. Imagery uses a visual stimulus to produce a physiologic change to decrease stress and promote healing. Upon completing the chapter and reviewing the second portion on the overview of alternative therapies, you'll be able to direct patients to information needed to make a decision on whether to use a herbal preparation. Also, you'll be able to describe the desired outcomes of spinal manipulation during chiropractic treatment. You'll gain knowledge that you would apply to the clinical practice setting, such as assess the use of complementary and alternative therapy by assigned patients, and direct patients to information about complementary and alternative therapies. Naturopaths use natural substances such as foods and herbs. Two types of natural products include herbal therapy and aromatherapy. Herbal therapy is used by more than 70% of the world's population. Medicines contain plants as their active ingredients. Herbal therapies are used to treat a wide variety of conditions. Many herbs interact with prescription drugs. Aromatherapy includes the use of oils from plants which are absorbed through the skin or inhaled. It is thought to act on the brain to evoke pleasant feelings related to past experience and emotions. Aromatherapies may be combined with a body-based therapy. In this slide provides you with a list of herbs determined to be safe by non-US authorities. This list can be also found in your textbook on page 618, table 32.1. Homeopathic medicine teaches that symptoms are signs of the body's effort to get rid of the disease. Disease can be cured by giving small doses of substances that produce symptoms of the disease. It stimulates a person's natural defense, alleviating the problem. There are three principles. Like cures like. The greater the dilution of the remedy, the greater its potency. And illness is specific to the individual. Naturopathic medicine is a philosophy directed at the prevention of disease. It uses natural means to promote health. Lifestyle management, natural foods, massage, used with regular exercise to maintain the body at a high level of wellness through the use of body's inherited healing abilities. Traditional Chinese medicine is based on opposition of polarities, yin and yang, the elements of wood, fire, earth, metal, and water, and the flow of energy, qi, in the body. It focuses on looking for the underlying cause of imbalance and patterns of disharmony in the body. It uses medicinal plants, acupuncture, tai chi, and qigong for therapy. Ayurvedic medicine is the traditional Hindu system of medicine. It uses combinations of herbs, minerals, purgatives, massage, meditation, and special diets. It focuses on restoring and strengthening the body, mind, and spirit. Healing focus is on maintenance of balance and wholeness to prevent illness. The practice is holistic, aiming to treat imbalances of mind, body, and spirit to promote health and combat illnesses. Shamanism. The shaman uses techniques to achieve a non-ordinary reality or a shamanic state of consciousness. It may perform various ceremonies, including burning particular plants and herbs to bring about the rebalance of the individual with nature. The shamanic journey is the most common practice of this tradition. Folk medicine. This is a holistic approach to healing practice throughout Latin America. Illness is seen as an imbalance, hot and cold, patient and the environment, parts of the body, and patient in the spiritual realm. Biologic compounds, foods, and herbs are used to treat the physical components of the illness. A curandero treats the supernatural components. Native American medicine includes healing herbs and ceremonies combined with a spiritual emphasis which are used to treat ailing patients. Therapies based on the belief that spirit, mind, and emotions all interact with the environment. Patient's disease or disorders is believed to be caused by disharmony in the patient's connection to the nature and spiritual world. Question number 2. Please post your response. Which of this complementary therapy is a form of Chinese exercise stimulation therapy that is supposed to improve health by redirecting mental focus, controlling breathing, improving coordination, as well as promoting relaxation? Is it A, acupuncture, B, qigong, C, ayurveda, or D, shamanism? The correct response is B, is qigong. Question 3. Peggy has a patient who verbalizes that she prefers to approach her illness in a holistic way. Which type of medicine uses this approach? Is it A, homeopathic, B, naturopathic, C, Chinese, D, folk? Take a moment to post a response. The correct response is D. Folk medicine is a holistic approach to illness. For question number 4, please reference your textbook on page 618, table 32.1. Chloe's patient states, I often use herbs when I am nauseated. Which herb would Chloe's patient use? Is it A, echinacea, B, ginseng, C, ginger, or D, St. John's wort? The correct response is C. Ginger is an antiemetic. It is helpful for patients who experience nausea. Final question, question number 5. Jim's patient asks if there are any herbs to shrink the prostate gland. Which of the following helps shrink the prostate gland? Is it A, hawthorn, B, milk thistle, C, saw palmetto, or is it D, valerian? The correct response here is C. Saw palmetto helps with benign prostate hyperplasia. This concludes our presentation on chapter 32. Thank you.